Good afternoon all. What is the last problem we are discussing on? I gave 2 problems for you to complete, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What are those answers?
1 minute, sir. Open it. Sir, 2 by 3 epsilon naught A divided by D, and then 3 by 5 epsilon naught A divided by D.
Sir, in that last problem, I'm getting 2 by 5 only, sir. No, in
What is the
every
question
way,
you read? You read the question?
sir.
Sir, it's
No,
diagram. No question, sir.
diagram, sir.
5 plates. The diagram with 5 plates.
What is the answers I gave you?
Sir, you gave
2 by 3.
last one.
The last
2
one
by
was 3 by
3.
5. The last one was 3 by 5.
You are not getting that.
Sir, in my case, I am not getting 3 by 5, sir.
This is one problem I gave. They are joined together.
Yes, sir.
So we can number them. So this is A, B. This is connected to 2.
Paired with 1.
2 is paired with 3.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
3 is paired with 4. 4 is connected to B. These 2 are over, no? 3, 2. One more 2 is paired with 1 means 3 only, no? Again, 2 is paired with 1. 1 is nothing but 3 only, no? Am I right or not? 1 and 3 are same, no? Now these
Yes,
2
sir.
are in parallel. This is C. This is 2C with C by 2. So what is CAB? C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. This is C square by, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? This is square. Oh, this is C. So this is CAB. You're getting now? Hello? Got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
1 minute, sir. The
Where are
screen is
you?
not clear. Yes, sir. The screen is not clear.
Completed?
1 minute.
Yes.
Can I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next I gave 5 plates, I think. This is A. This is B. Understood this? Again, what all he is connected?
sir. Sir, first and the third.
Number them. Now
Sir,
you have
first-
A. Pardon?
Sir, first and the third, no, sir, connection.
First and fourth then.
Sorry, sir. Then my question mistake, sir. That's why my answer went wrong. So,
This is A.
Sir,
A is
that day you
connected.
give first and third, sir. Even I have
Yes,
given
sir.
first and
First
third.
and third, sir.
Then you
This
won't
one
get
I-
that answer now. If it is first and third, answer given won't be there. Because while copying, maybe I might have given the wrong figure, but another answer. Right. I gave this.
yes, sir.
Okay. One is 2 paired with 1. 2 and 1 are 2 and 3 are again paired. Means this is 2 connected with 3. 3 is nothing but 1 only, no?
Yes, sir.
3 and 1 are same. 3 and 4 are paired. Okay. 3 is again paired with 4. 4 is paired with what? 5. Now these two are in
Parallel.
C, C, C. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
2 by 5C.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Followed.
Shall I turn this? So this is about the
1
plate.
minute.
Plate type of question they'll be giving this. The Sunday's paper you answered well.
Yes, sir.
Kgs of marks you got.
Sir, did you give that paper?
No, I did not.
or-
No, I did not.
It was easy, sir. Very easy.
Such papers you write also there is no use, man.
Yes.
Decoration. It's a decoration for dead body. That's all. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Anyway, public are accustomed for fast foods, no? They're highly hazardous, but still we take, no? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Yes, sir.
Finished. See, online ordering percentage highest in India compared to Asian countries. So what will happen? India will be leader in all these like diabetic, BP, heart attack, all kinds of cancer and all. Okay. So this fast foods, easy paper and all temporary relief. That's all, nothing else. Okay. And many people say pandemic jobs are removed. No. 70,000 people are. Why I am showing is to get you educated. You can see 70,000 people are hired with a salary hike of 50 to 60%. So who will be on road is people without subject. They are the people who speak all this nonsense because they don't have job now. They speak about all this nonsense. India is waste country. We did not get job. That fellow will never agree that he is not having knowledge. So what I am saying is all these things ultimately they boil down when you now you will escape man, you will escape classes. You log into the classroom and you will sleep without listening to the class. Okay. That can be identified that after the class also that fellow will stay till night 5:30 also he won't get up. All this you'll do. At the end of the day, when you go for interview, what you'll do? You have to face it now. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So all the things you are doing, this is only a training to face the future. If there is no use in future, why they'll be keeping in syllabus now? They can keep that all the stories, fantasy stories, crime stories. No? These value now at this time you don't know. Once you go into engineering, you'll be knowing the value. People who have very good at subject, they'll play with the circuits and all. They'll be excelling in life. Knowledge always triumphs. I only gave the person, you better set the paper. Everybody will be happy. No? You are happy, others are happy, parents are happy, all happy, and finally one unhappy will come. The concept colleges will believe is 2 years everybody is happy. No? On the day of results, 2-3 hours they'll be feeling out. It's normal. Right. This is called a ladder network. Okay. We call them as infinite ladder network. See here, the thing is some part is going on repeated. So from here, C1, C2 is the one which is repeated. If you observe this. Follow this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, in such cases, what we will do? Not follow carefully. I am assuming that we want CAB, no? We will take let CAB is some X. Now I have to find X. What I'll do is I'll remove one part from this. Just one segment. This is the remaining part. It goes to infinity now.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
removing one part. Now see, if I remove this, will this and this are different or same? From an ocean, you're removing one bucket of
It's the
water.
same,
The
sir.
remaining thing is ocean or what do you say?
Same, sir.
Ocean.
Same. So from infinity, you remove one element, it makes no difference, no? That means
Yes, sir.
still this is what? X only, no?
Yes, sir.
When I'm keeping an array, it means across these terminals is the capacity. Do you agree with this? Now what
Yes,
I
sir.
do is, I'll reattach in place of those big network. In place of all this, I'll just attach that X over here. Now this and this are same only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means now what is this actually? CAB X only, no? Now these two are in
Yes, sir.
Parallel.
parallel. So what you have this as C1, this is C2 plus X.
Into.
This is AB. What is this? CAB equals X. Okay, that means These two is how much? C1. Do you agree with this? Series, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Therefore, what is this x equals this one only, no? What is CAB? X only, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Find out
Yes,
x
sir,
cross
understood.
multiply and solve that quadratic you will get. Understood the method?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So if you use that minus b plus or minus, you'll get this. See, negative cannot be, no? C cannot be. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, finally, what is that you'll get? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I send?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Completed. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir. 1 minute.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Finish?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
You completed the drive problems up to now. When I ask question, nobody will answer, man. Great class. Work to
Yes, sir, completed.
Now you'll say formally some answer. Do it.
No, sir, completed.
Up to capacitance I posted, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
practice problems I posted the capacitance, no?
Yes, sir, posted.
Capacitance.
Yes, sir, capacitance only.
Return this.
yes, sir.
The answer.
1 minute, sir.
See what you'll do.
So 2 microfarad.
Take a sec.
First find the equivalent capacitance. Remove this battery. The remaining thing is also X only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is X, no? So these are all in series with 2 farad. That itself is X only, no?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply and get X. You will get 1 farad. That means the battery of 4 volts, you are connecting with 1 farad.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the charge that goes?
1 by
Q is equal to
4
C1,
coulomb.
4 coulombs will come.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
sir.
1 minute.
Now see, we want between this, no? That means this battery, this is 2F, this is 1F, no? Now if you remove all this, what you will have between A and C? That is X only, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir, agree.
Now you can see this 4 coulomb is now coming over here. It divides into 2 parts now. They're equal capacitors, no?
Yes, sir.
That means on this, what you're getting here, this is B, no? They agree with this or not? That means you're getting here as 2 coulombs, here as 2 coulombs. Do you agree with this from this diagram?
Yes, sir.
So that means what is asking charge on this now?
Yes, sir.
Two coulombs, no? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Shall I done this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Now you try this. Find the capacitance between A and B. What? Shall I do?
One minute, sir. Doing.
Any answer?
You should run.
Any answer?
Sir, doing, sir. 1 minute.
One by two, sir.
5/6, sir.
No, man. See, after every time it is doubled or not?
Yes, sir.
This is 1. Next it becoming 2. Next it is becoming 4 times. Now suppose after every branch, every repetitive network, now that means if I take this as x, then after this what it will become? 2x only, no?
Yes, sir.
This will be 2x only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you attach this, this is x only, no? Now these two are in parallel, no? In series with 1, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Find out x. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Return this. How much you got, man?
Half, sir.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2, sir.
How much?
1 by root 2.
1 by
By
root 2.
Yes, yes. Shall I turn this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we are seeing something called Wheatstone Bridge Network. The other day you discussed this, I think.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Wheatstone bridge.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now these two are in
Parallel. Four by three equal to yes, sir.
now these two are in parallel now.
Yes, sir.
Must be equal to 3 by 6 now. What is XC? What is X value?
5.
5. So this will be how much? 8 farad, no?
Yes, sir.
Now these two are in series now. In parallel with so this is how much? In parallel with this means parallel. This is SC series. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the equivalent capacitance? See how much you are getting? How much you got, man?
So 1 minute.
So 14 or 14.
Completed.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Yes, sir.
Seven.
Yes.
7.
Yes. See, if you remove this by this equals this by this. Now this is dummy now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. 2 farad.
That means it cannot do the function of a capacitor now.
Yes.
Therefore, you can remove that now.
Yes.
Now these two are in
Series.
series. How much it will be?
Sir, 18 by 9.
2 farad. 2 farad.
2. 2 and 2 parallel.
4 farads.
Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Shall I term this?
1 minute.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 minute. Completed.
How to find this? See here, this is CD.
So one doubt, sir. Sir, this is
AB,
point
no?
C.
Keep one C here. Between A and C, one 10 capacity, 10 farad is there now.
Yes, sir.
B and D, one 4 farad is there now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
C and D 110 farad is the
C and D another 10 farad is there.
A and D 1 4 farad.
Pardon?
A and D 1 4 farad, sir.
C and D 2
A and?
farad, sir.
And E.
Where is E? I locate E now, first of all.
Between A and D we can look at, no, sir.
Hmm? Now, suppose I take E here, for example. C and D will be 2 farad. E and D
4 farad. E and D.
Then wait, A and D on 4 farad will come. D and E. Suppose if I take this as a D, D and E
4
on
farad.
4 farad has come. C and D on 10 farad. I think now it will work out, see.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this by this equals this by this, no?
Yes,
This can be removed, no?
Yes, sir. 2 can be removed.
all this is like mastering only, man. Now these two are in
Parallel.
Twenty-eight by 11 farad.
This is 7, no?
Yes, sir. 28 by 11.
Followed this.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
1 minute.
Return this.
1 minute, sir. Last line. Completed, sir. Done, sir.
Should I turn this?
Yes, sir.
All redrawing on, no?
Yes, sir.
A and D 2 farads. D and B 4 farads.
What else is left?
E and D again 2 farads.
This is 1/2, 1/2. So dummy on, no?
Yes, sir.
Now these two are in series, no? In parallel with
3 series with 6.
see how much you're getting.
Yes, sir, 10/3.
Done.
1 minute. Done, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See this one capacitor. Charged with 10 volts. There is another capacitor. Okay. Now they are disconnected. And they're connected like this.
Sir, 3 farad and 2 farads.
Hmm.
You wrote 4 farads, sir, there.
see here, what are the initial charges? 3F had
50 coulomb. 10 coulomb.
10 coulomb.
say this is a common potential, no? This is positive, negative, no? So what is the final charge? This is how much? These are charges, no?
Yes, sir.
What is this charge? Initially, so what is V? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
8 coulomb. Sorry, 8 volt.
So what is the final charge?
$60.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
What is the total energy loss? Finally, find out these values, how much you're getting? Energy is lost, no?
Yes, sir.
How much is that?
15.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Not easy. Is it not such an easy one? No, nothing, no formula, nothing common. So that's all.
Yes, sir.
Why you are unable to do, I don't know. Any doubt?
No, sir. No
Yes.
doubt.
This is actual one, no? Here there is no cell, no? There is no question of no change, no? So work done by this is 0. So this is also 0. Okay. So heat is
UI
15 joules.
minus.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Follow this.
One doubt. Sir, why work done by agent is 0, sir?
See, when agent will do work, I told you, work done by agent means work done in changing the configuration of the capacitor. That means to increase the distance between the plate or to insert one dielectric. That is agency work,
Yes, sir.
no? A capacitor cannot itself by walk and go and absorb the dielectric, nor the plates of the capacitor always attract. But your agency should do work to keep it apart, no? Here nothing, the capacitor configuration is not changing, no?
Not changing, sir.
That is the reason why work done by agent is wrong, is 0. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Write down once for all, man. Any more doubt?
No, sir.
No
Select
doubt.
an?
Yes, sir.
See, you have HCR, somebody posted this unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. You have this, no?
Yes, sir.
And Hatsi Verma.
In unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, there are some methods. I'll tell one method. Later on, you'll learn others. This is a little bit easy. Suppose you have like this. See, join like this. In English, this symbol is called what?
Sigma.
Sigma
That's why
summation.
we call it as sigma method. Okay. In this is a very simple one. By doing all circuit analysis will be knowing. Just multiply this in this order. By just take this middle portion, not this horizontal line. Other than that, you apply this for this. See how much you're getting. Are you getting the book answer or not? You tell me.
Good, sir. 11 by 6.
What is the answer given?
11 by 6 only, sir.
Understood the method?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, you search world over, you won't get this sigma method anywhere. This is what I found by my experience. Why I'm telling this again, don't refer H.C. Verma all books and find what is sigma method. So this is not available. It's a one crude method to do problems in easier way. Almost all unbalanced Western which you can do. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Denominator
Yes,
part
sir.
we should take.
No,
Denominator.
what I'm saying is generally you have it when in YouTube I'll search, somebody will sigma method, nobody will explain. Because each one has their own passion. So because I am from electronics engineer, I have some grip on this networks and all. Anyhow, why I'm telling is just follow this, you'll get this. The routine method, how to do and all, I'll come back to that shortly. Any doubt is there in this?
Sir, you
No,
said
sir,
in
no,
denominator what we
No.
should take.
Huh?
Denominator part you said horizontal something that I did not understand.
Then leave these two and add these two, I'm saying. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Leave the horizontal lines, man. The remaining part you join. This plus this, plus this plus this. This plus this one term. This plus this another term.
Yes, sir. Understood.
This is only for time saving method. The routine method is very difficult. I'll explain that also, don't worry. See, man, you will never learn physics by reading books or watching videos. In fact, teachers has helped all the faculty of higher classes by not teaching properly in school. Now every teacher is in a comfort zone. No? Minimum knowledge he has enough to handle IIT classes. That is how teachers attitude. That's why management is also hiring low faculties. Anyhow, students are weak. So slowly the people are going far away from IIT institutions. So now if you don't do work, that you will be another person. Come back to this. So now if you leave all this, in engineering you will suffer. Come back to this. Still, this is what we are
3 into
doing.
1 plus 1 into 4 plus 4 into 3
You have
plus
the answer
3
for
into
this. You have the answer. How much you are getting?
11 by 6, sir.
7 by 6.
11, sir. 11 by 6.
Sir, 11 by 6, sir.
11 by
11
6.
by 6.
11 by 6.
Followed this.
Yes, sir, followed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Followed.
When you will improve physics, maths you have improved, chemistry you have improved. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Physics also improved. Yesterday improved heavily. Tremendous improvement. I'm right on it. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Clear, sir.
Right. We will meet in the next class. Okay.
Sir, what about
Thank you,
revision
sir.
class?
It is like it is there today. It is there.
Yes, sir.
Same password.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.